next will be the Secret Glow. So Secret Glow is actually a collagen brightening mask. It's a white mask that we call. Okay, so Secret Glow can be used twice a week, every Monday or Thursday night, or the night before if you're gonna have an event. You can actually apply your gold mask the night before your event, so that the following day your skin really goods, your skin really have a, you know, a radiant, you're gonna have a radiant skin. Your skin will look more fresh if you're gonna have a mask night the night before your event. So it actually has a collagen booster. It can gives you more a brightening effect, and you can actually see this immediately. You can actually see the result immediately once you have this kind of mask. So you can apply this. You can actually have this alternatively with Secret Gold, or you can layer Secret Glow and Secret Gold in one night. Okay, you can actually layer them for you to have the best result. So some of the ingredients of it will be the hydrolyzed collagen that can actually smooth some fine lines. It also has glutathione, niacinamide, which is also can reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and alpha-arbutin. Okay, it's an inhibitor of unwanted skin pigmentation. And then